Hey there, health warriors. Welcome to my channel, where fun meets facts. Today's challenge, a 15-question health quiz to test your wellness wisdom. Grab a notepad or count in your head, because each correct answer brings you closer to being a health hero. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Let's dive in. What's the healthiest way to start your morning? A. Drink coffee. B. Have a heavy breakfast. C. Drink a glass of warm water. D. Eat spicy food. And the correct answer is C. A glass of warm water. Helps flush out toxins and boosts digestion. Question 2. How many hours of sleep does an adult need for optimal health? A. 4 to 5. B. 6 to 8. C. 9 to 10. D. Over 10. And the answer is B. 6 to 8 hours. Sleep recharges your body and mind. Question 3. Which vitamin is known as the sunshine vitamin? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin B12. C. Vitamin C. D. Vitamin D. Answer is D. Vitamin D. Produced by the body when exposed to sunlight. Question 4. What food is considered a super source of omega-3 fatty acids? A. Chicken. B. Salmon. C. Cheese. D. Broccoli. Correct answer is B. Salmon. Great for heart and brain health. Question 5. What percentage of the human body is water? A. 10 to 20%. B. 30 to 40%. C. 50 to 60%. D. 80 to 90%. Answer is option C. 50 to 60%. Hydration is life, literally. Question 6. What does dietary fiber help with? A. Vision. B. Digestion. C. Bone strength. D. Muscle growth. Correct answer is B. Digestion. Fiber keeps your digestive system happy and healthy. Question 7. Which organ detoxifies your body the most? A. Heart. B. Lungs. C. Liver. D. Stomach. Answer is C. The liver, your body's natural filter. Question 8. Which of these boosts your immune system naturally? A. Sugary drinks. B. Junk food. C. Regular exercise and healthy diet. D. Stressing out. Answer is C. Healthy lifestyle all the way. Question 9. Which fruit has more vitamin C than oranges? A. Banana. B. Apple. C. Kiwi. D. Grapes. Answer is C. Kiwi. A small fruit with big benefits. Question 10. Which practice reduces stress the most? A. Overeating. B. Meditation. C. Gossiping. D. Skipping meals. Correct answer is option B. Meditation. Peace of mind is a breath away. Question 11. What's the best time to exercise for most people? A. Late night. B. After meals. C. Early morning. D. Right before sleep. Correct answer is C. Early morning. Boosts metabolism and energy for the whole day. Question 12. Which of these habits is best for your eyesight? A. Scrolling at night. B. Blinking less. C. Looking at green trees. D. Screen time over 5 hours. Correct answer is C. Looking at greenery. Nature heals the eyes. Question 13. Which drink is best for staying hydrated on a hot day? A. Cola. B. Coffee. C. Coconut water. D. Milkshake. Correct answer Option C, coconut water, natural electrolytes to the rescue. Question 14. Which one helps reduce belly fat faster? A. Crunches only. B. Balanced diet plus cardio. C. Starving. D. Sleeping more. Answer is B. Diet plus cardio combo. Spot reduction is a myth, folks. Question 15. Which oil is healthiest for cooking? A. Palm oil. B. Mustard oil. C. Butter. D. Ghee. Correct answer is B. Mustard oil. Heart healthy and full of good fats. So, how did you do? Drop your score in the comments below. If you got more than 12 right, you're a certified health hero. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with friends who need a wellness check. Until next time, stay fit, stay fabulous.